And then the one that I think is actually gonna look pretty cool is when we come into here. So this, same thing. When we come across, I'm not gonna pull the black yet. I just wanna pull the paper. I wanna pull the paper and that off. So that way I don't risk touching anything. Because we were just gonna take and do the face, this color, and just the top, that color, and literally just tape it. So the side here, this, the other side, that all would have been the metallic color all the way down. And then only the face of this would have been the gray color. But we started looking at it and I was like, well, I think it would look kind of cool if we paneled it off and put the stuff in there with some pinstripes. So pinstripes are a little bit big, but it's such a huge trailer. I think if we would have went smaller, I think you would have lost the pinstripe. And then again, these are just holes, but let me grab a rag real quick. See how I got all this bleed through in here and it looks like garbage? So what I'll probably do is I'll get kind of close with this. I'm not gonna get real close with the rag, but I got like some little Q-tip things and we'll come back with those. And I don't know if you can tell, can you tell that it got a little bit better? Mm-hmm. I'll come back in with a smaller Q-tip and finish taking care of that. And then once it dries, we'll be good to go. I didn't know this was that full of fucking paint. Got all of them in fucking hand. Motherfucker, dude, that thing was
loaded full of gray.
She fucking set me up with that rag.